So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin ang isa pa rin sa pinakamainit kabola na trade rumor ngayon between Northport at Magnolia Hotshots, and then amazing happenings around the PBA, around Philippine basketball kabola. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito na nagpakitang gilas po itong si Robert Bolick. I hope you watch that game kabola. 46 points kabola, new career high. Iba rin talaga, no? Robert Bolick, diba? Muntik na itong pumunta ng Japan. Bumalik lang po kabola. And now, we are again enjoying kabola ang talent po ng isang Robert Bolick. Pero dito rin talaga manlulumo, no? Kasi of course, alam naman natin yung status po ng LNX, diba? Akala natin magseseryoso na sila. Pero of course, we just saw them give up. Ito nga si Brandon Roser. So yan, nakakalungkot kabola, diba? Na nangyari na naman po yung ganong klase po ng trade. Sayang, diba? Wala nang kasama ulit po si Robert Bolick dito kabola. Mag-isa na lang siya in a way na nasa superstar level kabola, diba? Top 20 player. So ayan, nakakamada na naman niya po yung LNX. Pero overall, let's enjoy and let's hope kabola that Bolick can continue to provide us with this entertaining level of basketball. ESL kabola, sabi nila gusto daw nila makita in the future ang Ginebra at saka San Miguel Beermen. Of course, dito po naganap ang finals po ng ESL, and at the posting of this video kabola, malamang tapos na po yan kabola, diba? Pero at sabi nila kabola, they are now excited and interested talaga na makita po ang Ginebra at saka ang San Miguel kabola dito nga po sa ESL. Of course, last year hindi po sumali ang San Miguel at saka Ginebra, even though sila actually dapat po ang sumali dahil nga, I know, no, diba? They have the reasons kabola, pero malamang yung financial issues yan eh. Diba? Of course, kasi pakikipag-compete po sa ESL, malamang may kamahalan yan kabola, diba? You will get another import kabola, and of course additional practice games outside the country, diba? So talagang in a way mahal din kabola yung pakikipag-compete po sa ESL. Pero I hope the PBA will continue to support this league. I think it has a good potential kabola. This EASL can in the long run become the third conference po talaga ng liga na ito kabola that will give us the feel of the home and away kabola na matagal na nating hinahanap po sa PBA. And kagandahan nga dyan, no, kung may home and away format nga kabola ito, is that ang kalaban natin is hindi po natin kapwa nandito sa bansa, kundi mga taga-ibang bansa. So very interesting. I hope the PBA will continue to support. And of course, we know naman na talagang gusto rin naman natin makita talaga ang Ginebra at saka San Miguel na umabot po dito kabola. Now, some comments, kabola, that's worth talking. Sobrang labo magpamigay ng players ang MVP team sa SMC team. That is the case for several years pa rin din na ngayon, di ba? At makita na natin yan sa Gilas, kabola. Friends na sila. This is now more of a duopoly instead of a competition, kabola, between two grinding po na conglomerates kabola, di ba? So in a way they are still competing, pero hindi na po sila competing in all manners kabola. They are already in business together kabola. So we expect that they can even help each other na kabola in terms of trades. Now ito nga pag-usapan natin po na kabola, no, na trade rumor. Still the Arvin Tolentino to Magnolia, and Tolentino still playing very very well kabola. Now in this trade kabola, I just want to share to you what is the perfect trade sa ay ko po kung tutuloy po na Magnolia ang pagkuha kay Tolentino. And I think it is actually the rumored Calvin Abueva to Arvin Tolentino trade kabola. Nagtataka nga ako maraming nagsasabi, even analysts, that is a fair swap. 8 years po yung difference nila sa edad pa lang kabola, di ba? 8 years, di ba? So 36 na po si Abueva. At most, another year of a top 50 player po na level kabola, and after that, di ba? Kasi alam naman natin, Father Time is undefeated, and even the numbers is very very far now. Tolentino last Commissioner's Cup, 22.4 points, 5.7 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 1.9 steals per game. This guy can play, this guy can defend, this guy is the #1 local scorer po last tournament, di ba? This Arvin Tolentino is legit, and he is an excellent fit to Magnolia. While Calvin Abueva, di ba, may mga pinakita na po siyang signs kabola that is going back to his old nature kabola. Now he is still being seen as a superstar, so it's time for Magnolia to just take advantage of it, di ba? So I think this is the perfect trade. Kababal sa palagay mo, ito bang perfect trade para sa Magnolia? Comment na po sa baba.